Well, I finished up the property lines and I ran into a little bit of a snag. So I was going off of the Onyx map that the customer had dropped to me. So he actually walked to his pins, property pins, dropped little markers, created the outline of the property. And that has worked extremely well so far until here. And when we got to the last point, there is, I don't know if you can see it, a little pink flag over there. And my little 2-lane right-of-way property line is actually like 30 plus feet. So what happened was, while I was tracking to it, the corner marker on the map is actually where I'm standing, which is about 30 foot or so away from where the actual corner pin is. So our property line got a little wide on us, which means that I had to come back on this side and then just start shaving down. And in all honesty, that it probably, if you go over here to this side, it probably is a little bit off all the way down. So like, if you stand here, it's like it could continue to be shaved. Let's see if I stand right on the property line. Like, you can't exactly see all the way to the end, but I've probably gone 400 or 500 foot down here just shaving, just trying to get a little bow out of it. And I don't think they want me to do any more. They might. I'll let him make that decision. But got a really nice wide, property line. They can drive an 18-wheeler down here now.